Um, so like I said, DXY. I said that yesterday. DXY was at a or is at a very strategic position. All right. Depending on how it moves, we'll know whether we're going to go bullish or bearish. So today was a consolidation. If you look at your news events, your news calendar for the week, you will notice that Monday has a USD bank holiday. And the tendency for USD bank holidays is that price tends to consolidate. Forget the movement that happened, right? There was no real um energetic movement in price. Alright. It did move, okay. It did move, and that's given, but still it's not something I want to be risking my money in. Do you understand? I mean, let's measure the size of this move from up here. I mean, it's barely 39 pips, barely 40 pips. Alright, barely 40 pips. So is that something I want to be risking my money on? No, So basically, what's the plan? My plan is to evade Monday. Alright. Tuesday, I don't plan on trading it because I don't trade the day before CPI. What happens when we have large, high impact news events like CPI? The trading the day before it is usually consolidation. Alright. Then CPI has most of the energetic moves. So I'll be trading CPI day, not CPI day. After CPI, I'll be getting involved. So that is basically my plan. Okay. Yeah. Basically, that's what I'm looking forward to. Let me see. Is there anything else? I don't think so. I really don't think so. But for now, just a follow up on the video I made previously, right? As you can see, we ranged. So you can do well to just draw a box on all of Monday's price action and watch what happens, right? Watch what happens. Watch how we move, basically. I would say bullishness, from the way we look, right? Let's go to the daily time frame and have a look. Okay, we didn't trade into anything actually on the daily time frame to even give me confidence to want to be involved. All right, okay, we traded into, we have this balanced price range here. Okay, don't I just use lines. I'm sorry, I just use lines on my chart. Let me remove all of these things. I just use lines on my chart, right? I don't like a lot of fluff on my chart. The reason why all those other things are on the chart is because I was backtesting. So as you can see, traded into that, and yeah. So I'm more on the side for bullishness as of today. But let's see what happens. Just watching out. Yeah. So that's it for DXY, and like I said, DXY is the main pair we should be focusing our eyes on. Let's have a look at eurgbp. Like I said previously in the video of yesterday, okay, I said that I trade Euro USD and GBP USD, so my focus is on DXY and Euro GBP, so for intermarket analysis. So let's have a look at Euro GBP. Same thing, consolidation, right? I think this is barely maybe 20 something pips. You see, it's just 19 pips. So same thing here. It's not an environment I want to risk my money, majorly because it was, or it is, majorly because it is it was a USD bank holiday. So yeah, let's see. Remember I mentioned this rejection block, right, in the video. So we have that, and from the look of things, although this is not certain, because remember, this is not set in stone, okay, this is not set in stone, because I would love to wait till tomorrow to have clarity. Okay, but for now, what does it look like to me? To me, what it looks like is still a consolidation. All right, still a consolidation. It doesn't really look like much. Let's see what happens. Okay, I would like maybe to see us dive down. So we might likely dive down tomorrow, then and go back up. That's what I'm looking for basically. So let's see what happens.